How to fix flashlight not working, icon grayed out on iPhone. So what we can simply do is we can try to turn on off our phone and turn it out again, and after turning it on we can it doesn't fix our problem, we can go in our settings and we can go in our general, and after going in our general click on software update, and we have to make sure that our software is updated. This problem might occur because our software isn't updated to the latest version that we need. Then we can go back, and if it doesn't still help to solve your problem, we can go back in our settings again. And after going in our settings, we can simply go in our option right here called screen time, and you can simply click on the option of screen time here, and after clicking on it we'll click on content and privacy restriction, and we have to make sure that this option is turned off. And after that we can go back, and after going back we can now simply scroll, and we can simply check if our flashlight is turned on by long pressing the button and simply swiping our finger on here up and down, and after that this blinky thing happens. Our flashlight problem will be fixed on our iPhone.